The two-in-one Robot Vacuum Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience with its dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it a versatile choice for any home environment. Equipped with smart app and voice control, this robotic vacuum allows you to effortlessly manage cleaning schedules and modes via your smartphone or voice assistant. The slim and flexible design ensures that the vacuum can navigate under furniture and into tight spaces, ensuring a comprehensive clean throughout your home. This model boasts a long-lasting battery life, allowing it to clean for up to 100 minutes before autonomously returning to its charging base. The advanced sensors prevent collisions and falls, providing a safe and efficient cleaning process that intelligently adapts to your home's layout. With multiple cleaning modes, including auto and zigzag, the vacuum adapts to different cleaning needs, ensuring thorough coverage without disturbing your household.